the question which was given to you was, poverty is an outcome of unsustainable population growth. Poverty is an outcome of unsustainable population growth, and the instructions were critically analyze. Okay. Now, what we expect is, ये एक statement है. If there are any statement-based questions, okay, you must first tell us what does it mean. What does it mean? Okay. So this statement means poverty expand, income poverty, unemployment, food shortages, problems of housing, problems related to access to amenities, health issues. So poverty is because of unsustainable growth of population. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Rapid growth, high TFR, okay, death rate falling dramatically while the birth rate still high or increasing. Okay, this basically means the growth rate is not capable of managing itself in the resources. That's why the word is unsustainable. Somewhere the idea of overpopulation. Okay, this is what it means, that poverty, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is a function of, is because of a high population growth. Okay, and what does this mean? 1, 2, 3, 4. So fundamentally, the argument is that poverty is because of overpopulation. Poverty is because the population resource match is inadequate. Therefore, the idea called as unsustainable growth of population. So, कोई भी answer अगर statement वाला होगा, पहले बताओ what does it mean. For example, a heavy rains cause floods. Discuss. Heavy rains caused floods. What does it mean? The water inundation, the water entering into urban areas and rural areas, the floodplains having a repeated annual rainfall, repeated annual floods, is because of heavy rains. का मतलब क्या हुआ? Cloud bursts, because of storms, storm surge, okay, and cyclones. ठीक है, तो पहले बताओ कि statement का meaning क्या है. The next will be, okay, now the argument starts. Argument का एक part होगा, yes, this looks right. Okay, right because theory 1 says so, theory 2 says so, theory 3 says so, and we also have examples in support of the theories. ठीक है? And then एक और side भी है argument का, no, it's not right, because okay, poverty is not just because of population size. It can be because of colonial history. Poverty can be because of conflicts, which is not about population alone. Why should Russia and Ukraine fight? वहां थोड़ी issue of population वहां पर है. Poverty could also be, okay, because of lack of, okay, development investments. Jharkhand थोड़ी the highest population state है. And Africa is also not a high population state, a country, a continent for that matter. बाद में होगा जब होगा. The fact is, development investments are not there, and poverty can be because of corruption also, bad governance also, and give examples. Analyze में, what does the word analyze mean? Analyze का मतलब है go deep and give us the reasons, whatever you think is appropriate. Okay, so an analysis of anything is looking at something from the perspective of giving reasons. I'm sad because I'm happy, because I'm successful, because that's analysis. And when you use the word critically, what does this word mean? The word critical का मतलब होता है, okay, don't be biased, be objective. बोलते ना, he is a film critique, he is a sports critique का मतलब क्या है? Critique or critically does not mean criticize. It does not mean criticism. Critically का मतलब होता है be objective, don't be biased. And how can you be objective and not biased? Only if you give examples. Only if आप कोई report को quote करो with some data. Only if you can justify with some theories which have some validity. So अगर आपके answer में, if your answer does not have, okay, discussions on both sides, इधर भी चाहिए और इधर भी चाहिए, so then you are making one mistake. If your answer does not have examples, तब भी आपने mistake किया. अगर answers में theory का reference नहीं है properly, okay, and see again, when I'm saying explain with the theory does not mean tell the theory. I don't want a paragraph or half a page on Malthus theory. आपको reference बताना है कि yes, this is possible because Malthusian idea tells us that poverty is the consequence of the positive checks operating because of food shortages. And this poverty can lead to conflicts, can lead to high mortality rates. On the other hand, Marxian idea of poverty is not because of population growth, it's because of capitalist exploitation. फिर आप वो बताएंगे कि थ्योरी 1 बताता है राइट है, थ्योरी 2 बोलता है नॉट राइट. So we want to see that type of balance. So those who we say are good answers and A+ answers, basically they appreciated this. They have referred to theories fairly okay, और examples भी दे रहे हैं. And most students who said good effort but something missing. Missing में एक dimension properly balanced नहीं है, या फिर very importantly the examples are missing. Your answers cannot be a mechanical reproduction of theories. Okay, आपको answer करना होगा with a sense of applying the concepts. Somebody asked me yesterday, sir, in my village, in my state, ऐसा pattern है villages का, can I give the example or not? Yes. Settlement geography ka the best part is you have to give examples from, okay, your experiences. Take the name of your city, your village. Naam batao uska. Draw a map of where it is. And I'm sure all of us have an experience of some mega city or the other. या तो आप कलकत्ता जानते हैं, या आप चेन्नई जानते हो, या you know Mumbai, you know Delhi. Many of you will know Bangalore. Many of you might know Patna. So draw the approximate map of your own city that you know. The village where you live in, the districts where you live in. आपको जो pattern दिखाई देता है, उसके examples पे लिखो आप. So the questions asked in the last 3-4 years में ये major change हुआ है. The students who get marks are the ones who can show this applied dimension. Not the bookish type 5 point लिख दिया answer हो गया. No. More and more questions are okay, soliciting your opinion. The depending आप बताओ आप क्या सोचते हो. Do you think this statement is right or not? Can we consider that COVID was a Malthusian event or not? Do you think India's problem is population growth or not? What is, in your opinion, the best solutions to problems of poverty and inequality in India? So the theoretical base will give you good arguments, but likhne time mein, you must have a sense of giving examples with some contemporary references. Is it okay, all of you?